Okay, annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, Kinshin.
안녕하세요. Good morning.
So, today was your 7th day to receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, 감사합니다.
Okay, kamsahamnida Chocominim. Bye-bye.
Good morning, L1 students.
Good morning, Teacher Luis. Good morning, classmates. It's nice to see you this morning.
Okay, take your seats.
Thank you, Teacher Luis.
Okay, so yesterday we have an exam. Yawa man ako mag-answer. Correct? Okay. So karon mag-check ka kay human naman mo og answer. So, atong test is about saan sa man?
Kylie's family.
Og
And
kaka-test mo kung wala ni siya og summative test. Okay? Para may bago natin yung nakapunan. So, read the instruction.
answer the following questions.
Okay, so number 1. Read. Again.
How old is Daniel?
Okay, how old is Daniel? Okay, Caselda?
14.
Okay, 14 years old or 14. So, ang answer dali guys, 14. Okay, i-check. I-check. Okay. Number 2. Read.
What kind of doctor is Kylie's son?
O, unsa man nga klase nga doktor? Okay, aname?
Heart doctor.
Okay, heart doctor. So, dapat yung answer dali heart doctor. Kung heart lang yung gibutang, wrong. Okay. Number 3. Read together.
What color is Tommy?
Unsa man nga color si Tommy?
White.
Answer na sila. Unsa yung color sila?
White.
Okay, white. So, kung answer lagi, raise your hand ha. So, unsa man ni si Tommy? Iring o ero?
Red.
Diba siya si white cap, si Tommy. Okay, number 4.
What is the title of the story?
What is the title of the story? Kamutan na sa title?
Kylie's family.
Kylie's family. So, Kylie's family. Okay, check ninyo ha. I-check. And number 5. Okay, done checking?
Yes.
Okay, number 5. Read together.
What are the names of Kylie's parents? Kylie's pets.
Something nga. Si?
Tommy and Dobby.
Okay, si Tommy and si Dobby. Tommy and Dobby. Okay, so yung spelling ko sa Dobby. Okay. Number 1 ta sa math. So, manata sa atong Kylie's family nga story. So, arita sa atong math. Okay, read the equation.
18 divided by 6 plus 10.
18 divided by 6 pila man?
3.
Okay, 3. So, unahan man to ang naasa ang division kaysa sa plus. So, 18 divided by 6 pila? 18 divided by 6 equals
3.
okay, 10 ha. Pagka kuningon next is i-copy na tong nahabilin. Unsa may habilin? Okay, plus 10. So 3 plus 10
13.
pila?
13.
Okay, 13. Okay, number 2. Read.
8 times 5 minus 35.
Unsa man tong unahon ang
8
ang
5.
okay, pila man ang 8 times 5?
40.
Okay, 40 minus
35.
okay, so 40 minus 35 pila man?
5.
Okay, very good. 5. Kasabot. Okay, check. I-check ninyo ang notebook. Okay, so we are done with the spelling sa. So mag-check na ta. So, okay, let's go with number 1. Paolo, spell estimate.
Estimate. E-S-T-I-M-A-T-E.
Estimate. Very good.
Estimate.
Next, number 2. Stephanie, competent.
Competent. C-O-M-P-E-T-E-N-T.
Okay. Competent. C-O-M-P-E-T-N-T-E-N-T. Next, prediction. Jinmei.
Prediction. P-R-E-E-C-P-I-O-N.
It's wrong. Prediction. P-R, eagle. Sit down. D-I-C-T-I-O-N. P-R, eagle. D-I-C-T-I-O-N. Prediction. Number 4. Oppress. Paulo.
Oppress. O-P-R-E-S-S.
It's incorrect. Oppress. O-P-P-R-E-S-S. It's double P, Paulo. Okay, Stephanie. Cemetery.
Cemetery. C-E-M-E-T-E-R-Y.
Okay, very good. Cemetery. C-E-M-E-T-E-R-Y. Next, Jinmei. Fatigue. Number 6, fatigue.
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 F-A-T-I-G.
It's wrong. Fatigue. Sit down. Fatigue. So, paminaw ha. F-A-T-I-G-U-E. Fatigue. F-A-T-I-G-U-E. Fatigue. Next, Paulo. 7. Abruptly. Abruptly.
Abruptly. A-B-R-A-P-T-L-Y.
It's wrong. Abruptly, correct spelling is A-B-R-U. Dili siya A-U. P-T-L-Y. So, ang narong ra nimo is ang katong letter A. Abruptly. Next, viewpoint, Stephanie.
Viewpoint. V-I-E-W-P-O-I-N-T.
Okay, correct. Viewpoint. V nga vine, I-E-W-P-O-I-N-T. Viewpoint. Next, Jinmei. Influence.
Influence. I-N-F-L-U Eagle and C.
Okay, very good. Influence. I-N-F-L-U-E-N-C-E. Influence. Next, Paulo. Station.
S-T-A-T-I-O-N.
Okay, very good. Station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Stephanie. Address.
A-D-D-R-E-S-S.
Okay, very good. Address. A-D-D-R-E-S-S. Next, 12. Jinmei. Diamond.
D-I-M-O-N-D.
Okay, diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Next, 13. Paulo. Vacation.
Vacation. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N.
Okay, very good, Paulo. Vacation. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N. Next, paragraph. Stephanie.
Paragraph. P-A-R-A-G-R-A-P-H.
Okay, very good. Paragraph. P-A-R-A-G-R-A-P-H. Paragraph.